Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. I'm very pleased today to have Mr. Stephen Makepeace-Warne of Zebra Technologies, who's going to be talking to us about the NS42 fixed industrial scanner. So Stephen, you have 3 minutes to explain why our readers should regard this as the DPA Product of the Year 2026. Over to you.
Thank you, Andrew. When we look at the manufacturing and logistics landscape today, there's an overwhelming demand for automation and flawless quality control. But for years, businesses have faced a dilemma between expensive, complex vision systems and cheaper vision sensors that maybe just quite don't get the job done. The NS42 shatters these barriers. It's a fully featured 5-megapixel camera with a full suite of rule-based vision tools, as well as deep learning OCR and AI-based anomaly detection. It's got market-leading ease of use with our Aurora Focus software and an unbeatable price-performance ratio. Don't be fooled by its size. Underneath the compact housing, we've got a true powerhouse processor, as well as autofocus lights and lenses. We've got an MPU neural processing unit designed to run the AI applications on the edge. Out of the box, the deep learning OCR will read any text. It's been trained on over 10,000 fonts. So you literally just draw around the text that you want to read, tell it the height of the characters, and it will just read them. Similarly, the AI anomaly detection is really easy to use. You can plug in 10 good and 10 bad images, and within 10 to 20 minutes, you've trained that tool. It's also got market-leading ease of use. It's plug-and-play architecture, very simple to train, so deployment takes hours, not days or weeks. And basically any business, regardless of their in-house technical expertise, could now deploy these on their shop floor or within their warehouse. It's got features such as you just draw around the item that you want to inspect, and the software will recommend the tools that you can use. So rather than having to pick yourself from a list, it will advise what you could do with that inspection. So finally, we know that every great product must make business sense. So the NS42 is incredibly cost effective. So by combining the 5-megapixel camera, the sensor, the lighting, and the MPU in one robust housing, along with all the software, we managed to really lower the total cost of ownership to customers. And because it's fast to deploy and accurate, customers start to see immediate payback by finding rejects and not coming up with false rejects. So we're eliminating manual inspections and bottlenecks on the shop floor and costly downtime. So in conclusion, it's not just a camera, it's basically efficiency for your shop floor. So AI power in the tightest spaces.
Thank you, Stephen. Clearly, there's an awful lot more to find out about that product. If you'd like to know more, follow the link that we provide below and you'll be able to see much more and contact Stephen and the team at Zebra to find out how it could work for you. Thanks very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.